2023, renowned economist Utomi, ex-Cross Rivers governor, others form new political party to challenge Buhari. The leaders of the RNP identified failure of leadership as the main factor behind the problems affecting the nation. Some prominent Nigerians on Tuesday announced the formation of a political party, Rescue Nigeria Project. According to them, the new party, described as a project, will give Nigerians an alternative platform to the ruling All Progressive Congress and the People's Democratic Party. The founder of RNP include former Governor of Kwara State Ahmed Abdul Fattah, renowned economist Professor Pat Utomi, a former Minister of Education Professor Tunde Adeniran, and a former Governor of Cross River State Donald Duke. Others include Senator Lee Mieba, Usman Bugaje, a former chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission Professor Ataru Jega, Ambassador Nkoyo Toyo, Yomi Awoniyi, Rose Indidanladi, and Sadiq Gombe. The leaders of the RNP identify failure of leadership as the main factor behind the problems affecting the nation, Vanguard reports. Speaking on Tuesday, Abdul Fattah lamented the state of the nation, noting that the high level of nepotism and lack of inclusiveness has given rise to agitations by different ethnic groups. According to the former governor in 2015, Nigerians embraced change, adding that today that change appears to be what we didn't expect, as insecurity has taken over the nation. He said it is based on this that we decided to set up this Rescue Nigerian Project, RNP. We want to salvage this country and see how we can fix the mess. We want to set a template and key criteria leaders must have before they can take any political position. Despite the great opportunities of the past, Nigerians have failed to live up to the dreams of its founding fathers and the hopes of successive generations of its citizens. Perhaps at no other time have this failing become more apparent than in the past decade or so. In 2015, Nigerians overwhelmingly embraced the promise of change. These hopes have not only been dashed, but they have been arguably turned out to be the most and the worst political statement ever to be made in this country. Nigeria today appears set to fulfill all the prophecies of doom. If further noted that unprecedented nepotism and political exclusion have left the country more divided than ever, as evident in the various separatist agitation that is threatening the corporate system of the country itself. Also speaking, Adeniran noted that there is a disaster at hand, hence the move to rescue the nation. He said you only rescue when there is disaster, and when you fail to rescue during a disaster, it is more dangerous. We have a disaster in our hands and we need to rescue the country. We need to look back and see how we get here. We know where Nigeria was before now. We know the task. It is not going to be easy, but we have to determine how to rescue the nation. In his opening remarks, the RNP National Coordinator, Usman Bugaje, explained that the Rescue Nigeria Project was founded on the premise that the challenges bedeviling the country were largely derived from poor leadership. Bugaje, taking a swipe at the President Muhammadu Buhari-led government, say when you reduce the problem of this country to what they are, ultimately it has come to leadership. We have been unable to exit the leadership conundrum precisely because the leadership recruitment mechanism in our political parties is so flawed that except for accident, they are incapable of producing competent leaders with the requisite knowledge, discipline, and commitment to make a difference. We are living with, or better still, groaning under the consequences of this folly. What this means is that any attempt to rescue this country from its trouble must first rescue it from the current leadership recruitment mechanism that seems to leverage on money and connection or ethnic sentiment and no premium on knowledge or competence. I agree with them on that. The challenges is how to introduce a set of criteria, or better still, recalibrate the recruitment mechanism in our political parties to prioritize knowledge, competence, and character. The deepening crisis in the political parties are all the more reason this recalibration is necessary. We must change the conversation about leadership. The first thing we should need to know about our president is not which part of the country he or she comes from, rather how competent he or she is. What is the content of his policy document? What is his team made up of? We also seek to ensure a seamless shift from politics of big men to the politics of big ideas. The empty politics of big men have not taken us anywhere, but down the drain we simply cannot continue this way. Well, that is the opinion and the thought of those that just came together to rescue Nigerian project, and Nigerians already have started reacting to this move. They are not saying this group of people are visionary, technocrats, and economists. They will better by far. Another person said, rebranded Nigerian politician, RNP. Another person says, see the list, Jega, Utomi, and of all people, Ahmed Abdul Fattah want to rescue Nigeria from a problem they have created. What an irony. Another friend said, this Ahmed has spoke Kwara for us. Another person said, of the truth, Buhari surprised everyone but me. I knew he had nothing good to offer. Idi Agbon was the man behind 1983. Don't mind them, my brother, and argue with a friend concerning his inability to perform before. But unfortunately, he's not even alive to see what is happening. Abdul Fattah is equal to Saraki, group of proxies. Good thing is nothing new here. Most of you have been tested and failed. The common thread is that you are rejected from APC and PDP. You are on point. Person who cannot handle General Society Bank that want to handle Nigeria. Oh my God, have mercy on this country. Another person said, no more election, divorce the country to we are now. Another one said, I have and I hope you people will not be accepting questionable character in your mix like APC. Who can believe APC and FFK will be in the same boat today? Well, that is the opinion of the people that have said it, that have talking about rescue Nigerian projects. What is your own opinion? Kindly make your opinion known as you like, share, and subscribe. Good day, thank you, and God bless.